192 Governor's Lane is more than a home. It is a private, understated residence with sweeping views, refined craftsmanship, and the Vermont landscape as its backdrop. With over 9 acres of land, this custom-built residence was designed to showcase its natural surroundings, the expansive lawn, Lake Champlain, and the Adirondack Mountains, all visible from your backyard. Step inside to soaring cathedral ceilings and a breathtaking great room where walls of windows frame the changing seasons. The kitchen is nothing less than exceptional, with towering windows facing east, a large center island, commercial-grade appliances, and a large walk-in pantry. The vaulted ceiling extends from the kitchen into the dining and family room. The first floor primary suite is sanctuary of its own, complete with fireplace, custom lighting, a spa-like bath, and an expansive walk-in closet with numerous built-ins. Upstairs, 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms with large closets and a large bonus room make for flexible uses. A fully equipped accessory apartment with its own balcony is accessed via the mudroom and provides privacy and flexibility for guests, a caretaker, or multi-generational living. The lower level is designed for recreation and relaxation with a media room, bonus room, and a fitness studio. The home is surrounded by expansive decks, large covered porches, bluestone patios, and a charming screened-in porch with an outdoor TV and a gas fireplace. The highlight of the outdoor living space is a sleek heated pool and a built-in hot tub surrounded by perennial gardens. Timeless craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and one of Vermont's most desirable locations. Welcome home to 192 Governor's Lane in Shelburne, Vermont.